Okay guys, just the thought of moving those 50 bags now. Okay, are we ready? And here we are. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's almost moving time, hopefully 3 times the charm. So I'm German and I'm very efficient, and let me tell you, the whole process of like selling your house and buying another house in the UK has been the most painful thing I've ever been through. I got all my dust bags here. We're gonna get all my bags out and get them ready to move. They're gonna be tucked away safely somewhere. For anybody who doesn't know, we've been looking to buy a house for a while now. However, you know, in the UK, if you're in a chain, you're trying to sell your house, buy another one, anyone can jump out at any minute. It's absolutely mind-blowing. In Germany, you know, but everything is very efficient and you have a pre-contract and nobody can easily jump out. Here people can just change their mind until the very end, until everything gets signed. And we lost so much time, we lost so much money. Just like the thought of how much nice furniture we could have bought if everything would have gone ahead is, you know, a dagger in my heart. So nonetheless, hopefully, you know, exchange is coming soon. And once everything is signed, then I will, you know, calm down. My heart will calm down. My brain will calm down. And then I'm going to be like, okay, everything's fine. You know, we got it sorted in the end. So please keep your fingers crossed for us that we can actually move soon. And that this time, the third time now, everything is going to go ahead. Okay, guys, so I don't know about you, but if you live in London, you probably know about this issue. London has a moth issue. And defeating moth and fighting off moth has been like a thing, an ongoing thing forever. And because I was very worried, I have washed all my dust bags. I have washed them all for the very first time because they were stored away for years. Like we bought this house like 5 years ago, so all of this was just stored away. And because I was so worried that there might be moths or moth eggs in there, I just washed them all. And I was like talking to Jessie and Dick, I was like, guys, can I wash my amazing dust bags? Are they gonna shrink? What's gonna happen to them? So I washed them and everything came out fine, luckily. And by the way, guys, excuse the look today, but I mean, you know, if it's moving time and I have to pack a lot of stuff, well, that's all you get. So I got my coffee right here. We have such an amazing La Pavoni coffee machine now. Oh, it's making the best coffee ever. It's so delicious. Yeah, I would say let's start. One last look, huh? So when we're gonna move, I'm gonna have a totally new dressing room and I'm not gonna use these cabinets anymore. I'm gonna design everything from scratch. So yeah, this is the last time they're gonna be stored in here. And that's what I mean, guys, moths. So I always have these things. They're from Germany, they're amazing. They just repel moths. I always keep it in here. It smells so nice. So the bags always have a really, really nice smell. And I know that they're protected from moths, you know, especially those fabric ones. And the other side as well. Aren't they beautiful? Last but not least, these ones as well. So I'm really, really worried about how to store these bags away. So I think I'm just going to put them back in their boxes so that none of the crystals gets damaged when we have to transport them. And guys, because I still have a Bulgari event coming up, I still need to have one bag that I keep with me. I think I'm going to choose this one. Okay, let's see. Plus, I actually think I'm gonna keep my Bottega Veneta and my Neverfull with me over the summer because they're amazing everyday bags. Okay, guys, just the thought of moving those 50 bags now. Okay, are we ready? And here we are. Oh god, I have to put all of these away now and make sure they're fine. And, you know, because like we have to do some renovation works in the new house, so they're gonna be tucked away safely, but they're gonna be tucked away for months. So I really need to make sure that all my babies are fine. And guys, I was really worried about the dust bags not being entirely dry as well, because obviously you don't want mold, you don't want moths, you know. It's gonna be a headache, but yeah, let's start. I got 4 of these IKEA containers, plastic containers. I hope that's enough to somehow get all these bags in. I'm gonna put some bags in other bags, I think. I have to play Tetris now. Okay, I would say let's start with some boxes because I'm really worried about these bags, so I will put them safely away. Let's start with the box bags. I mean, does this give you anxiety? It gives me anxiety. Oh, and guys, so I'm so happy that I actually still found all of these little things, you know, that come with the Lady Dior bag, because I think this is a small one, because then I can actually protect the hardware from scratching as well when I put the bags away. Let me put this on. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, ready to go. Okay, so box 1 is done. I've done my best, I think. I don't want to put too much on top to crush any of the bags below. And this is what's left. Actually, my Gucci Raja tote is not too heavy, so I think this should be fine. And the second box is done, but there's still so much. I was hoping I can fit everything into 3 boxes, but looks like it's gonna be 4. And this is what I mean with I'm gonna pack bags into bags to save space. I think, you know, my artsy, it's unbelievable how big the artsy is. It can hold a Bulgari Serpenti Forever top handle and a Salvatore Ferragamo Classic Gancini. Wow. And the last one. Just saying the amount of Tetris that I'm playing is unreal. What a day, guys. Okay, so now the fun part. Bubble wrap. Look at this monster roll of bubble wrap. I'm just gonna use it to fill some of the holes, and then I think we're good to go. And guys, after everything has been bubble wrapped, I got those special clips for extra safety, and ta-da! Almost done. You're gonna be happy once the bags are out of the way?
Yes.
Yeah, guys, okay, so that was it. Wow, I'm gonna bring everything away now to a really good friend, and I trust him with my life and with my babies. And I'm so glad once all of this is done, and keep your fingers crossed for us that it really works out this time. You know, I just want to get out of here. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's video, even though it was totally different, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye!